Good morning, Manas. My name is Kenneth Chikuro, and I'm going to be the trainer. And today's lesson is going to be interesting lesson. So let's start. In today's class, we are going to talk about fire extinguishers, their types, maintenance, and also the classes of fire. Right. So by the end of the lesson, you will be able to define what is a fire extinguisher, also to know different types of fire extinguisher, and lastly, the classes of fire. Let's begin. Now, we start by what is fire extinguisher. A fire extinguisher is a critical safety device that is used for to put out a small fire in a workshop or any premises that fire occurs. In many scenarios, we have seen where there is a lot of recklessness and fire may occur in different kinds of places and different kind when you visit different institutions, business, markets and centers, you find that they are trying to improvise safety in everywhere they go. For example, we have in supermarkets and large malls, whereby when you pass through the corridors, you would see where we have fire extinguishers. Also in school, through the corridor administration, and every place that you should be improvised. So after we've known that fire extinguisher is mainly used to put small fire in areas, in case there is a large amount of fire you should evacuate, because fire extinguisher cannot put out the fire in a large buildings. It's just used for a small fire outcomes. Now, for the second one, let's see the types of fire extinguisher. The first one, we have water. We have foam extinguisher. The third one, we have powder. And basically, it should be a dry powder of extinguisher. And a lot of more that you should look on. So when we basically look on the type of extinguishers, we have different sources where fire comes from, and that is where we will go to classes of fire. And if we have water, we have foam and powder. These types, they have to put out fire in different sources. So when we majorly look at the classes of fire, we have number one, we have class A, and this class A of fire is caused by wood, paper, cloth, the things that you know. Then we have the second class, is class B, and it's caused by liquid, liquid forms like we have petroleum, we have, we can say diesel, we have petrol, and other. Then the third one we have class C, that is caused by electrical sources. So, electrical sources. We may have faulty switches, we have naked wires, it may cause a fire. So we have the last one, class D. Class D is all about, is caused by metals. So when we look onto the classes of fire, we should be able now to know the types of fire extinguishers. So there are specific type of extinguishers that will be able to put out or to cut out the fire from this place. So when we look to onto water extinguisher, a water extinguisher is conducively able to put out class A. So it's suitable for using a fire extinguisher of water to put out a fire that is caused by wood, paper, cloth. Then we have foam. Foam is used to curb fire that is caused by a class B, which is liquid petroleum and diesel. And majorly foam is like something called fog or mist in geography. So it's like a bulk of cloud, yes, that is used to curb that one. So we have also the dry powder, majorly suitable for electrical sources, that is class C. And maybe you find some of the extinguisher also they apply, not only water form they are specific, but also when you do powder, it can apply also the same to class D, which is metal and other types. Now, before we finish up, there is a way of how to use fire extinguisher, and we have something called pass. So P stands for pull. Now you pull the pin. Then letter A, it stands for you aim. You aim where the fire is. Then S stands for squeeze. Then you squeeze the handle of the extinguisher, and lastly you sweep side by side. So this one you sweep side by side, you sweep side by side while carrying out the fire. Then lastly you have maintenance, that is to check the pressure on how everything is to be done on safety and maintenance. Thank you, and let us meet in the next